Affiliate marketing tips to A-list your marketing game. Are you looking to up your marketing game into affiliate marketing? We have got incredible tips to A-list your marketing game. Let's get started. Number 1. Remember, quality over quantity. Always strive for quality over quantity because it will create value and trust. Number 2. Encourage offers with recurring commissions. Specify your promotion portfolio to offers with recurring commissions. Number 3. Boost your followers' trust. Boost your followers' trust by expressing that you only promote products that you believe in. Number 4. Promote products that provide solutions to clients' problems. Always make sure that the affiliate products that you are promoting provide a solution to your audience's problems. Number 5. Provide timeless content. Be assured of providing timeless content so your audience will stay with you. Follow this and achieve A-list. By following these marketing tips, you can achieve great success in your marketing game. 𝗍𝗏𝗏, the medium of modern marketing.